traffic buzzing all over, people running for their workplace and everything. So actually we are staying in an hustle culture. Do you understand what is hustle culture? Hustle culture means that you're always in a hurry. Hurry for what? For reaching your workplace, even for your daily routine work, for your household chores. Even if you have to hit a gym, then also you feel that you are in a hurry because you have to finish that in a particular period of time, and you have to manage that time the whole day for finding out time for other important and priority works. So this is a hustle culture. Hustle culture has its importance, that is we are working hard, we are trying to move ahead, we are trying our best and everything. So that is like kind of you are becoming more energetic, more active. But hustle culture has more of disadvantages. What are the disadvantages? If I talk about scientifically, it is actually activating your sympathetic nervous system. That is, it's giving you an adrenaline rush, so you're always like excited and you feel a false sense of motivation. That is not actually motivation. That is basically always an increased epinephrine in your body, which is very harmful for the various organs in the body. Because if the sympathetic nervous system remains charged and activated, then you have these problems of high blood pressure, you have problems related to the heart, which can damage the organs because it will increase the blood circulation in your body. You will be in an hyperactive mode. So we shouldn't be in a hyperactive mode, never. Even if you find that there are situations when we have to take decisions and problems are there, you should be calm and take time to think. Yeah, when there is some kind of a disaster like fire or floods and all, and when you have to take quick decision, earthquake, then that is important that your sympathetic nervous system naturally gets activated. Don't try to activate it. So what happens, like we do yoga in the morning, it's very good, because what happens, deep breathing exercises which we are doing, that is very important to keep our sympathetic nervous system calm, not activated, and parasympathetic nervous system activated, which is going to dilate the blood vessels, lower the blood pressure, and make us more calm and less stressed. Now, as I had discussed earlier also, that we have our second brain in the intestine, that is the largest second nervous system. After the nerves supplying the brain, the second largest nervous system is in the gut, which is known as enteric nervous system, and the main nerve is the vagus nerve. And vagus nerve is very, very important. It supplies all organs of the body, and it sends the messages, or whatever you're eating, the toxins or whatever is released in the intestine, those chemicals reach the brain and they modulate the activity of the brain, and brain then responds according to it. So it's a two-way connection. Now, vagus nerve belongs to the parasympathetic nervous system or autonomic nervous system. It's not related to excitation or sympathetic stimulation. If you stimulate the vagus nerve through deep breathing, like hold your breath for 5-10 counts and then release it slowly up in a count of 10. That is, you breathe in 5 counts, breathe out in 10 counts, calm and slowly. That slow, gradual breathing will basically stimulate the vagus nerve and make you more calm and less stressed. It will also reduce your blood pressure and protect you from irregular heartbeats and all. There's a condition known as SVT. Okay, in which there is a ventricular tachycardia. So in that condition also, patients are recommended vagal stimulation so that their heartbeat becomes normal. No, nowadays we have a normal raised heartbeat, and that oscillates in 89, 90 and all. Variability is less. There should be variability in our heartbeats, but normally we are at a higher range of our heartbeats because we are following a hustle culture. So keep your heart rate variable but at a slower count. Okay, so do deep breathing, do certain yoga exercises, do this chanting of Om. Like if you hum, okay, that is also going to stimulate the vagus nerve because it is supplying the carotid arteries also. So everywhere it is spread, and if you stimulate, you will feel more calm, less stressed, and your blood pressure will also lower down. That is, protect your organs and your heart from undue pressure. So follow the hustle culture, do your work, okay, work hard, move, get motivated, remain charged, but don't try that, yeah, don't let that hustle culture overpower your health, okay, or dominate your health. Keep yourself calm, less stressed, and try to stimulate the vagus nerve through your deep breathing exercises and humming and chanting of Om. These yoga exercises have scientific basis, so it's very, very important. So